Hello everyone! Today's video is how to prepare Kung Pao chicken. First, we need to marinate the chicken with some sesame oil, some light soya sauce, some black sauce, some oyster sauce, Chinese wine, baking soda, a dash of pepper, and cornstarch to soften the meat. Just mix it and marinate it for 2 to 3 hours. Now this is the chicken that we marinated. Prepare some dried chilies also. We need also ginger and garlic, peppercorns, nuts, spring onion. And now we need to do the sauce with sugar, oyster sauce, black vinegar, light soya sauce, and some cornstarch to thicken this gravy. And add also black sauce, and liquefy with chicken stock. Just mix it, and then we need to roast the nuts and just set aside. The dried chilies, we need to roast it until the aroma is come out, and then just set it aside first because we are going to add in later. Now we start cooking. Put some oil. Saute the chicken until it's golden brown. Don't cook too long because the meat will get hard. Just reach until golden brown and the oil is come out. That's it, and set aside first. Now we need to do the sauce. We need to cook the sauce with put some oil and then the garlic and ginger. And then next the peppercorn to get the aroma of the whole dish. And then we need also bell peppers, red and green, for a good looking of the dish. Just like that, just saute a little bit. And then add water. Then just add the sauce that we mixed just now. And then add the cornstarch to thicken the gravy. And then now add the chilies, the dried chilies. And then next the chicken. And then mix it up. And then make sure that the chicken will totally coated by the gravy or the sauce. And now we need to put in the nuts. And last is the spring onion to garnish on that dish. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is it.